Download the study guide for the AWS exam I have on my website and review the AWS documentations and the frequently asked questions. Start your AWS free tier account to practice what you learn from this documentation. It helps you muscle your memory. Write down some important concepts or keep flashcards while preparing for the exam so that you can go over them before the exam. Although this is the new version of the exam, the core concept this exam covers remains the same, so you don't need to worry. Imagine yourself as an architect and how you will solve the issues if you present the problem by applying AWS best practice and the well architecture framework. Read as much AWS documentations and the FAQs as much as possible. The FAQs are frequently asked questions, as they are updated all the time. Be sure to read them before the exam as well. Read the white paper called Well Architecture Framework. Like most questions are based on the design principles, and most of the questions are about three-tier architecture using EC2, VPCs, and databases. So learn how we can use, for example, subnets, multi-AZ, security groups, network ACLs, elastic load balancing, outscaling, and secure system. Understand how we create users, groups, and implement access and security management with AWS IAM. IAM roles are a very important concept that you need to understand exactly when we use roles and when we use users. You can, of course, see questions like policy documents based on explicitly deny and allow statements and have you select user access based